Welcome to Sababa Kitchen. On this episode, we're going to make a delicious side dish. It's going to be Calabrian chili, honey roasted carrots and chickpeas over some yogurt, topped with some fresh feta cheese, some olive oil, fresh herbs. It's going to be delicious, packed with flavor, and sure to deliver a punch. So stay tuned. So far we have our carrots roasting in the oven about 400 with some honey, paprika, salt and pepper and fresh garlic. We'll let that go for about 15 minutes. We'll take them out, flip it the other side, and then we'll put the chickpeas on the other side. I've mixed some chickpeas here with Calabrian chilies, paprika, salt, pepper, and olive oil. If you have harissa, you can use harissa. We'll put that on the other half of the pan, let that go for another 20-25 minutes. We'll take it out, put some yogurt on a pan, on a plate, and then we'll put some carrots, chickpeas, sprinkle some feta cheese, herbs, olive oil, and it will be delicious, so stay tuned.